Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 1, 2, 3 easy steps. Well, if you like robots as much as I do, and I enjoy them a lot, drawing them as a little kid, I used to draw them all different shapes. As some of my other videos, I shared that same type of thought in there. So, if you have your pencil and you have your paper ready, I think we're ready to begin this fun little lesson on this robot. All right, let's begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you learned 1, 2, 3 steps were that easy. You might have taken some extra steps, or you could have elaborated on your little robot and use your imagination, as I shared before on one of my other robot videos. So what can you take home from this lesson? As always, practice, practice, and practice. And of course, use your imagination. Challenge yourself and ask some friends if you want to do a robot, what could you do differently? And take bits and pieces of their thoughts and combine them. That would be a fun challenge. All right, so thanks for checking out this video and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.